So welcome to this tutorial. So in order to use CapCut, this is CapCut here. This one I am touching is CapCut, the latest 2025. Understand? You can download it from your Google Play Store. You can also download it from your App Store. You can get from App Store or you install from Play Store. So let's tap on the CapCut rather. This is how it opens. This is just the interface of the CapCut. If you can check, these are my projects. These are the projects. Look at the time. Understand? This one is 1 minute 24 seconds. These are the projects. Understand? So if you install CapCut and open it, understand, this is how it looks like. You can click, if you want to edit video, you can click on new project. This is where we'll be focusing on. These are auto cut. You can also try out these ones, photo editor, remove background, but we are focusing on video editing. So we'll click on new project. When you click on new project, it's going to go to our videos, our gallery, to show all the videos that we've made that is in our gallery. We can also click on photo and tap on photo or live photos. Understand? So I click on photo, on video. I will tap on this particular video that I made that was the intro of the video. I'm going to add. Once you click on add, the video will appear in this particular timeline like this. You can use your hand and scroll like this and go to anywhere you want. Like in this particular video, this is the video. Since this video, before I was able to enter into the frame, I recorded the empty screen, understand, after pressing record. So there are the sides that I don't need. So these are the sides that I don't need. These sides that I'll just, I'm going to have to pause it here. Go back a little and get the side that I need. Once I get the side that I want the video to start playing from, I'm going to tap on the video. Before you edit any particular type of video or before you do anything, you have to still CapCut. Understand that this is the one I want to work on. So I'm going to tap on it. I'll tap on this particular video. Once you tap and highlight on it, this particular blue line is going to appear on it inside the screen, and this white line will also show that you highlighted it or you tapped on it. And this line here is called your editing line. Whatever this line is where you want whatever you want to do to apply to. So always look out for this particular editing line, this particular line. So when I tap on the video, I'm going to split, just like it implies, is to cut something into two. When you split this video, this video becomes two. It is no longer one. I will split here now. Once you split, the video has been divided into two. If you check, I can tap on this one and it's going to show this white line. I can also tap on this particular one and it's also going to show. So since I started this video from here, I don't want this particular side that I entered into the frame with empty background where I was just rehearsing. Understand? I don't want it to show. What I'm going to do, once I tap or I highlight on it, you are going to see delete down. Once you see delete, you tap on delete. Once you tap on delete, you see that particular first side has been removed. So what I'm going to do is to continue in this particular one I want to edit on. Understand? So this is how the video is. This edit means you want to start editing the video, and once you tap on it, what you're going to see is split. Split is to cut into two, just like we've done. Speed is to make your video to be fast or to be slow. You can also use speed to add slow motion. As the tutorial goes on, I'll be showing you how to apply smooth slow motion to your video. If you see some videos where they will do slow motion, after the video will pause, another will start. So this is how you do it. Animation is to animate this video. By the way, we are going to be starting from the beginning. You click on this arrow to go back. So audio, this is how you add audio to your video. You want to add a sound to this particular video, whether there are sounds, understand, from CapCut, or you want to add from the one that is inside your phone. So I'm going to tap on this audio now. Once you tap on audio, you're going to see sounds. You're going to see brand music, or copyright, sound effects. We are going to be treating extract. Extract is to get to get the sound of it. Maybe you see a video on Facebook or on TikTok, you save the video and you want to use the sound of that particular video. So once you click on audio, what you're going to do is to click on extract. Once you click on extract, it will take you to any type of video. Let's tap on this particular crying baby, crying child. So I tap on it and I'm going to add. If you check now, look at the sound. Welcome to my channel once again. So in this particular, if you check, you see that I clicked on extract. It took me to my gallery. I tapped on the video. Once you tap on any video, the only thing that is going to come down here is the sound. Is the sound of that particular video. So this is how to do it. You can also click on sounds. When you click on sounds, you allow it to load. So you can take any sound from CapCut, or you can also search for any type of sound. Breaking bottle, suspense sound, whoosh sound, any type of sound. You can always tap and search for them in the sound in this search bar. You can also click on this memory card sign. Tap on this memory card sign if you want to collect a sound that is inside your video, inside your phone. You can tap on this memory card sign. Then you are going to see some of the ones that you have extracted. Once you extract, it's still going to remain there except you delete it. So you click on device. When you tap on device, extract audio from device, you tap on this device, it is going to go into your phone. Understand? These are the ones I have in this particular phone. Understand? So once you tap on device, it will go and show all the music in your gallery, all the music. So this one is used for audio. Understand? Whereas if you want to extract from video, you just go to this extract. It is going to bring out all the videos in your phone so that you can tap on it and get the sound. So this is how to add sounds to your video, just like you've seen. The first one is edit. Edit means you just you start editing that particular video, the one that is in the beginning. Understand? Once you tap on edit, you can also tap on the video to start editing it. Understand? You can always click on this backward to go back, and this is the main interface. This is how it shows immediately you add your video to the timeline. So the audio is how you can add sound. We have already said this is how you add sound from your phone, or you can select. Test is when you tap on test, you tap on add test. You can add test. You can also add stickers. Tap on stickers, you see stickers. Auto caption. Auto caption is after speaking, you want what you are saying to be appearing in the video. So what you have to do is to tap on auto caption. Once you tap on auto caption, you are going to select a template that you want. Once you select the template, you tap on generate. You start generating everything that is in your mouth. Once it finishes generating, it takes time. That's why I'm not going to be tapping on generate now, because it's going to load for almost some seconds. So in order not to waste our time, this is auto caption. It is used for whatever you are saying in your mouth, it will be appearing here. While the add text option, you can click on the add text option and you use your hand and type the text that you want. Understand? After typing the text, you can click on styles and select the animation, the effect, the background, or whatever you want. Let me select this yellow. You see that this particular text that I've typed is now yellow. So but you can also tap on this particular text to put it wherever you want. You are free to always tap on anything on the screen and select and touch and put wherever you want. So this is how to use the text option. Understand? You can also split this text and cut out the side you want. You can click on style to select the font, the template, the color, animation, the background, whatever you want. You can always play around with it. You tap on delete, it is going to go out. So this is how to do this particular case. Duplicate, it means to copy. Duplicate means to copy. You can type on this text. Once you type on duplicate, the text becomes 2. As you can see, it has now been duplicated. Lasting text means you want this text to be from the beginning of the video to the end. Sometimes you may just write your name and you want it to appear from the beginning, or your logo, or whatever you want to write. So when I type on lasting text, this text is going to roll until the end of this video. So I tap on this lasting text. You see that this text will now roll until the end. You continue seeing it until the end of this video. So that is the work of this lasting text. So that is it. So go back. So text is used to add text. Overlay is when you want to bring in another video or another picture to this particular frame. You tap on overlay, it will take you tap on add overlay, it will take you to your gallery to bring in another video or to bring in a photo. You can tap on photos. You tap on any of the photos that you want.
you add, it is now here in the front of this particular video. Understand? You can edit, you can go and transform. Transform is used for resizing. You can resize, you can rotate, you can mirror. So I resize in order to crop this particular video. So you bring this one up and bring this one down to crop out the side that you don't need. So after cropping, you justify with this good arrow and you are good to go. You can always tap on this particular overlay to keep it any side you want, either down or up or any side you want. This is also how to react to videos. You can, after bringing in your video, you make your own reaction video, click on overlay and you bring it down and you position it one side. That is when you see some videos, understand, your video being on top of another video. You can tap on this. When you highlight and tap on it, you can hold this white edge to make it longer. Hold this white edge to make it longer. Understand, to make your picture to last as much as possible. As you see, the picture was small before, but now the picture will continue playing until your video finishes. So this is how to add overlay. This is the work of this particular overlay that you are seeing. It is used for reacting on videos, to place picture. If it is in short, it is PIP, to place a picture or a video on top of another video. So this is how to do it. So this is how to do this particular one. So now let's, having talked about this overlay, the test of the audio, so we'll talk about effects. So tap on effects in order to see what effect is. Effect is, there are photo effects, there are body effects, there are video effects. Understand? Effects is, let's bring video effects first. This one uses data. Understand? You see all this type of fire. Look at this particular one, explosion. Welcome to my channel. Once this type of effects that you see, thunder effect, lightning effect. Welcome to my channel. Once you see all these effects that they use for their videos, you tap on effects and you're going to see. You can also use effects to blur your video. Understand? There are many types of effects. Understand? I really don't want to talk too much about this one because you have seen the effects and what they are used for. Understand? This one loads. Welcome to my channel. Once you can always incorporate all these type of videos, effects to your videos. So that is it. So we'll go back here, click on the backward arrow. We'll go to body effects. You already know what body effect is. So we'll go to body effects. Body effects, you can apply body effects to maybe all these lightning eyes. When you put this particular one,
after downloading or installing your CapCut from your Play Store,
this is it. This type of lightning will be coming out from your eyes. Understand? You can also do electrical effects, axis. Understand? You can do doppelganger. Understand? To make you safe. So this is the type of effect that where you see some people, they will use this type of effect and their video will. So this is it. This is expressive video, embarrassed face, big mouth. This is where you see most of all these effects to add them to your videos. So this is how to use these effects. Understand? So we go to the backward arrow. So this is how to use effects. There are photo effects if you are editing photos, but since we are focusing on video, we'll go back. So this is how to do effects. We've talked about edit, audio, test, overlay, effect. Then there are captions and aspect ratio, especially this aspect ratio. Let's go to aspect ratio. When you click on aspect ratio, it shows the type of size you want your video to appear. This is the original size. This is YouTube size. If you want to make use of YouTube size, this is YouTube size. As you can see, understand, you tap on this video, this is the YouTube size of this particular video. There are 4 point, this one, there are all me, I normally use this 3.4 for my videos. Understand? You can, any type of size that you want, how you want your video to appear. And as you can see, this one is for if you're editing Instagram video, you use this 9.16. Look at this one too for Instagram. Look at, for TikTok 9.16, Instagram 1.1, and there are other ones. So this particular aspect ratio is used to get the size that you want. So I'm going to be talking about the others and how to use them, understand, to edit videos in the step-by-step tool. This is the one. I don't want the video to be too long. So this is how to make use of all these things to edit your videos. And after editing your videos, all you have to do is to click on export. Once you click on export, your video will be saved to your gallery. So this is how to make use of this CapCut.